Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best storage packaging tape is probably one of the most essential items for anyone who ships packages or needs to store items. This tape promises long-lasting adhesion and durability, but does it live up to the hype? In this video, we'll dive deep into the Scotch long-lasting storage packaging tape, testing its strength, ease of use, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right choice for your packaging needs. Number 5. Scotch long-lasting storage packaging tape. This tape is specifically designed for storage and packing purposes. It provides a strong and secure seal, perfect for keeping your items safe. The tape is made to withstand extreme temperatures, from -25 degrees Fahrenheit to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. You can rely on it to stay sealed, no matter the weather. It features a strong, solvent-free acrylic adhesive. This ensures a lasting bond, keeping your packages secure during transit or storage. The adhesive is also UV resistant. This means it won't break down or lose its stickiness when exposed to sunlight. The tape is clear, allowing you to easily see the contents of your packages. It's also resistant to slivering, splitting, and tearing, providing added durability. What we like. This tape is designed to withstand extreme temperatures, ensuring your items stay protected. Its UV-resistant adhesive prevents yellowing and degradation over time. If you're storing items in a garage or attic, this tape is a great choice. It will keep your belongings safe from the elements. What people say. The tape is very strong and holds well. It is easy to use and tears off the roll nicely. The tape is clear and seals the boxes well. Number 4. Scotch long-lasting storage packing tape. This is Scotch long-lasting storage packing tape. It's designed to securely seal your storage boxes. This tape ensures long-lasting protection for your belongings. This box tape is clear and tough. It's UV-resistant and resists slivering, splitting, and tearing. You can rely on it to keep your items safe. The solvent-free acrylic adhesive stays sealed even in extreme temperatures. It works in temperatures from -25 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your items are protected in various conditions. This tape is perfect for sealing boxes. It's great for packing away seasonal decorations or storing important documents. It helps you keep your items organized and protected. For easy application, use this clear adhesive tape with a tape dispenser. The package includes a dispenser for convenient use. It makes the sealing process quick and efficient. The package contains 4 rolls of clear packaging tape. Each roll is 1.88 inches by 38.2 yards, on a 3-inch core. It provides you with plenty of tape for your needs. Scotch brand offers a full range of adhesive solutions. This tape delivers confidence in superior results. It helps you get the job done well and effectively the first time. What we like. This tape comes with dispensers for easy application, saving you time and effort. It features a tough adhesive that resists slivering, splitting, and tearing. If you're looking for a convenient and reliable solution for packing and storing, this is a great option. It's perfect for quickly sealing boxes. What people say. Use this for shipping, covering pages in cookbooks and other small jobs. Great product. The tape has a strong hold and doesn't tear or rip when you try to peel it like the off-brands do. The tape sticks to boxes well. Number 3. Scotch 3650S RD ESF packaging tape with dispenser. This tape is designed for lasting protection. It ensures your packages are securely sealed and protected during shipping and storage. The solvent-free acrylic adhesive provides a strong and secure bond. It's designed to keep your packages sealed, no matter the conditions. This tape can withstand extreme temperatures, from -25 degrees Fahrenheit to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. It remains sealed, providing consistent protection. The adhesive is UV-resistant, ensuring it maintains its strength and integrity over time. This feature helps to prevent the tape from degrading when exposed to sunlight. The included dispenser makes it easy to apply the tape. The dispenser is also refillable, providing convenience and value. The tape is clear, allowing for easy visibility of the contents of your packages. This feature is useful for both shipping and storage purposes. This tape is built to resist slivering, splitting, and tearing, ensuring a reliable seal. It provides peace of mind knowing your packages are well protected. What we like. This tape includes a refillable dispenser, making it easy to apply and reuse. It features a strong, secure adhesive that stays sealed in extreme weather. If you're looking for a convenient and reliable tape with a dispenser, this is a great choice. It is perfect for frequent use. What people say. The tape is very strong and holds well. The tape is easy to use and tears easily. This tape is great for storage and moving. Number 2. Scotch 3650-4 long-lasting storage packaging tape. This tape is perfect for your mailing and storage needs. It's designed with a long-lasting adhesive that works well in various temperatures, making it ideal for long-term storage. The tape meets all postal regulations, ensuring your packages are handled correctly. You can trust it to securely seal your items for shipping. The tape's adhesive is built to last, providing a strong and reliable seal. It maintains its stickiness in both hot and cold conditions. This tape is great for light-duty mailing and packaging tasks. It's a dependable choice for securing your boxes and packages. This product is proudly made in the USA. You can rely on the quality and durability of this tape for all your packaging needs. What we like. This tape is designed for mailing and packaging, meeting postal regulations. It features a long-lasting adhesive that works in both hot and cold temperatures. If you need a reliable tape for shipping or long-term storage, this is a great choice. It ensures your packages arrive safely. What people say. If you want a tape that will last and hold up to aging, this is the one to buy. Using this tape makes me feel confident that any package I secure will safely reach its destination. For making boxes and things that last. Number 1. Grizzly Power Clear Packing Tape, 12 rolls. This heavy-duty tape comes in 12 rolls, each stretching 65 yards. It delivers long-lasting strength for sealing cartons securely. These packing tape refills ensure smooth, hassle-free packaging and better organization with added safety. Each roll offers more yards than standard refill rolls, with over 780 yards in total. The 2-inch wide tape provides more coverage compared to traditional 1.88-inch tape. This clear packing tape grips securely to boxes and surfaces. With a thickness of 2.8 mm, it ensures your packaging holds strong through shipping, storage, and mailing. Compatible with all standard dispensers and tape guns, this clear tape is easy to unwind and apply. Whether sealing small parcels or large cartons, it streamlines the process. Suitable for office or depot use, this shipping tape handles various packaging tasks with ease. From shipping cartons to organizing storage, it supports multiple everyday needs. What we like. This tape offers heavy-duty strength and more coverage with its wider design. It is also water and heat resistant, ensuring your packages stay secure. If you are moving or shipping heavy items, this tape is a great choice. It provides extra protection and peace of mind. What people say. I have used this tape for over a year now and been through 15 or more rolls. I can honestly say it has been very consistent on quality and durability. Strong. Clear. Worth it. Easy to cut to size and use. It's nice and thick and sticks very well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.